dot, pull, and soften. And there we go. If you have hooded eyes and you do a regular wing, sometimes it can interfere with the fold of your hood and look distorted. Instead, you should try the dot and pull technique. It's a soft wing which will not interfere with your hood and looks absolutely stunning. So if you're ready, let's begin. First of all, what are hooded eyes? All you have to do is look straight in the mirror and try to observe your lid space. If you can't see much of it because it's hiding under some extra skin, which we call the hood, then you might have hooded eyes. Usually with hooded eyes, there is a fold line or a crease line. And when you try to do a winged liner, it can interfere with the fold. If you stretch that fold to do your winged liner and then release your fold, then the wing looks distorted. Before we try the dot and pull technique, let's get done with the brows. And for that, I'm going to create as much space as possible beneath the brows by pushing my brow hair upwards. And for this, I'm going to be using the Milani Clear Brow Gel. While this has a spoolie, I can brush my brow hair upwards. The gel itself is going to hold my brows in place. And that's going to create more space underneath my brows because I'm pushing it upwards. And then using the Haus Labs Precision Edge Brow Pencil in black, I'm going to fill in just the sparse areas. If you fill in too much, it's going to look heavy and weigh your lid down. So just try to fill in the sparse areas. Even if you have low brows, try to push them upwards because the key here is to maximize the space underneath the brows. As you can see, my lid color is completely different from what it is underneath the brows. So to even out that skin tone, I'm going to be using this primer by Rare Beauty. Using the Real Techniques Fluffy Concealer brush, I'm going to buff out this primer all the way from my lash line to my brow bone. That way I have that one even clean skin tone. And then using a translucent powder, I'm using Laura Mercier here. You can use whatever you have. I'm going to lightly set my lid just so that primer doesn't settle in the fold line and crease. Using a kohl kajal pencil, I'm going to dot the outermost corner of my eye. That's exactly where my upper and lower lash lines meet in the outermost corner. I'm using the Haus Labs Kajal pencil. This is very creamy and perfect for a look like this. I'm going to dot it right in that outer corner. It doesn't have to be perfect. It can look something like this. With my finger, I'm going to simply drag it outward and upward. And as you can see, we already have a wing. It's that simple. Even if you don't have hooded eyes, this is a fantastic way of creating a wing, and then you can clean up the outer corner. Now with a small flat shader brush, I'm going to start smudging this towards the lid to soften it. Because again, if we leave it as is, it can interfere with the fold of the hood, and we don't want to be doing that. So the key here is to soften it. I also like to use my finger to drag it further towards the lid. And now, although that fold line is going over that wing, it's not looking distorted because it's a soft wing. Whether you relax your hood or lift your hood, it's not going to look distorted and looks fantastic. Using some concealer, I'm going to clean up the outer edge. The brush that I'm using is a flat concealer brush from Doe Color. I'm going to blend that out and lightly set it with a translucent powder because we do not want our liner to bleed into the concealer. You can stop at this if you like, apply a coat of mascara and call it done. But I like to oomph it up a notch, so I'm going to be using some eyeshadows. From the ColourPop Hocus Pocus 2 palette, this is such a beautiful palette. And by the way, this is on sale on Amazon if you want to grab it. I'm going to dip into a lighter brown shade called Witch Hunters. With a flat fluffy brush, I'm going to diffuse that kohl kajal more towards the lid so it looks soft and nice. Using some translucent powder, I'm going to brighten up the inner corner. Hi everyone, I wanted to quickly come up here and thank you all for showing me so much love and support on my manifestation video. If you haven't watched it, I'm going to link it in the end screen right after this video. Make sure to watch it. But if you watched it, you know that I love to optimize time, and a part of it is self-help because that's the fastest help that you can receive, and that includes skincare and hair care. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I love Ouai products. They are simply the best. They've always kept my hair looking shiny and beautiful and healthy. And if you're new to my channel, I have dry skin and dry flaky scalp, and I have to always keep my dandruff in control. And if you've ever had dandruff, you know that you have to find the right products to keep the flakiness at bay. I've tried everything under the sun on my hair, and I'm pretty picky when it comes to hair care and hair treatments and shampoos and conditioners, and I have to say that I love the new anti-dandruff shampoo by Ouai. This gentle shampoo is formulated with 2% salicylic acid to fight the flakes, itching and irritation from dandruff, and soothe dry scalps while leaving the scalp looking clean and hair looking shiny and healthy. And it smells so good because it's formulated with their Cape Town fragrance with notes of ginger and spearmint. To control my dry scalp, I use this twice a week, and on other days when I wash my hair, I use the detox shampoo, which is every other day. After I've washed my hair, I spray the leave-in conditioner on my damp hair before I style it, and I keep getting asked, how does my hair look so healthy and shiny and beautiful? You never know what's going on inside till you control it with the right product. If you didn't know, Ouai was founded by Jen Atkins. She's a celebrity hairstylist, and I started my YouTube channel watching OGs like her, and that's how I first got introduced to Ouai, and the products are just incredible. I've never looked back. I've always used them, and if you have dandruff or redness, itchiness, dry scalp, flaking, you have to try this incredible shampoo. I've always been a happy customer, and makes it so easy when you've already tried and loved products, and now the brand wants to partner on this video. So thank you Ouai for sponsoring this part of the video. Do more than the drugstore with the new anti-dandruff shampoo from Ouai. Go to theouai.com and use code SMITHA for 15% off your entire purchase. That's theouai.com, code SMITHA. And then using the Haus Labs Micro Tip Eyeliner pen, I'm going to draw the thinnest eyeliner close to my lash line. I'm almost using my lash line as a stencil, so I'm going along my lashes. And then using a black eyeshadow, I'm going to diffuse out that outer edge. It almost looks like an invisible liner. Using this beautiful shimmer called Candle is a Light, I'm going to apply it right to the center of my lid to give that pop of highlight. And that looks delicate and well balanced. Using the lighter shade of brown, I'm going to smoke it out in my lower lash line using a small fluffy brush. Using the Flash Highlighter by Ofra, it's my collaboration with Ofra, I'm going to highlight my inner corner as well as brow bones. That's pretty much it, my friends. It's time to finish up. So I'm going to first curl my lashes. This is the Sally Hansen curler. And then for mascara, I'm going to be using the Ico Beach Waterproof Mascara. Again, I'm just going to be using mascara. I'm not using any false lashes, but if you prefer, you can also use false lashes. But if you use false lashes, try to use something that is wispy so it doesn't weigh down on your lids, or try to use lashes only in the outer corner that wings out so it doesn't cover your lid space. And here is the finished eye look. How quick and easy was that wing, and how stunning does this look without interfering with that hood. It's one of the quickest way to do that extended eye look without any tapes or any mess. It's so quick and easy, and it looks absolutely stunning. Now let's quickly finish the rest of the face. I'm going to be using the Benefit blush in Terra. I usually like to use it on the highest points of my cheekbones, so it gives again that lifted effect. And for lipstick, I'm trying a new brand. This is called Just Be Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Kashmiri Chai. I love this. It has a bullet lipstick on one side and it has the pigment fluid on the other side. I'm going to be trying on both. I'm first going to be using the liquid lipstick. It goes on really smooth. It's very comfortable. It doesn't dry your lips down. And I absolutely love the shade. And right on top of it, I'm going to lightly dab the bullet lipstick. You don't have to do this. You can use either or. I just wanted to try both. And that's why I did this. But you don't have to. And here is the finished look. I absolutely love this look and I hope you do as well. Comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up. If you plan to recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed down below in the description box. And while you're there, don't forget to follow me. And if you want information on any of the products that I used in this tutorial, they're all listed in the view products link in this video. Check out the beautiful anti-dandruff shampoo from Way. The link is in the description box. I love you guys so much. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.